myself, my name is Anisa Juliani with NPM 101-1046 from Class for Manajemen. Here I'm going to tell you about my vacation. My vacation this time is very awesome. I do not think I have ever had vacation like this one before. So, I will let you feel what I have felt. I also want you to have this experience through my story. Never hesitate to come there and make your own adventure. To feel the 2021 year-end holidays, my family and I decided to take a vacation to Bali. Bali is a beautiful place. I saw left and right of the route line with unique traditional houses. The hallmark of the temple and the Balinese pattern gate were very stunning views, so they didn't get tired of looking. On our first day in Bali, we visited Bali Zoo. After we entered the zoo, we were immediately directed to the bus that would take us to explore Bali Zoo. Inside the bus, there was a tour guide who would tell us about the information in Bali Zoo. Here we can see various types of rare animals from within the country to rare animals from abroad.
Dan 3 dari Pulau Sumatera. Nah, ini murnian orang hutan, namanya Thomas. Sedangkan yang lebih kecil tubuhnya disebut janin jantan memiliki taring di atas hidungnya yang menyerupai tanduk rusa sehingga dikenal sebagai babi rusa. Dan dapat ditemukan di pulau sampai safari journey berakhir. Terima kasih.
We also enjoyed watching the tiger show. And there was also a cute souvenir shop to buy. The next day, we decided to ride quite bikes. It was very exciting, although I was a bit afraid of falling. In the evening, we went to the beach to watch the sunset while having dinner there. I really enjoyed my vacation in Bali. Although it was only a short vacation, but I think it was the best vacation of my life. I can't wait to go there again. Thank you for your attention. Bye!